Alright, what's up guys? I'm back before the election. I thought I'd just show you a couple symbols before we get announced our new president. So as you see, oil, it broke the support line, and now it seems to be at resistance where that support line was. So that's another thing to watch out for. And also Janet Yellen, the Fed, make sure that those things are on watch. And we're gonna get to gas here. Alright, so you see the gas contract. This is the 1 year, I think it's 1 year 20-day chart. So this is my plot for gas. As you see, it's going to hit that resistance line again, and it might break through resistance, and we might see a breakdown, and it might follow that downtrend that you see right there at that 2.5 level. So this is why it's good to always plot out the possibilities of a breakdown, because you'll be able to follow it. It won't be something new to you because you've already planned it out, or you already traced out the lines, or make sure that your risk and reward is there. Where would it bounce out from there? Plot out your support. If you don't see any support for the recent days or for the recent months, go back years, because these things are psychological, and a lot of traders pay attention to this, and a lot of investors pay attention to this, because a lot of investors who have bigger account balances, they're going to buy at the dip or buy at support. So right there, support, you might miss out on your opportunity to have a really good price before the bounce. So if it helps, go back 3 months in advance to see if that support was held. But I wouldn't trust the 1-day support, only because that's just temporary support, and it's easily it can be easily broken down. So we're gonna get to Southwestern Energy as well. Make sure you guys are watching out for the RSI to plot your investments or things like that. So in my last video, I was talking about the Southwestern Energy trade. Thursday I bought it low 9s and sold it at $10. So in the big picture, this thing is still way oversold, but I was just playing it for the dip and selling it at the peak. Yesterday the market had a little run, but I sold it at the peak, and as you see, the stock is still down. I sold it at $10 flat, and now you see it down all the way to 9.30. So the 9.30 might fall back all the way down to 9. As you see that gap, I had to go back months. Like I said, you got to go back months to look at the support levels. You got to look at the resistance levels. This helps you for when you want to say, okay, I want to swing this trade, or I want to actually, this can help you trade a stock rather than invest in a stock, because you know that support level, or that resistance level when it comes to buying this. So Warren Buffett picked a good time to buy, or they really announced it at a really good time. Warren Buffett bought Apple at $100 a share, I think, but this was when Apple was tipping all the way down to $89. I suggest you guys go back and look at that, because a lot of people were saying that Apple was going to go below 89 and just keep ticking down. But if you were to go back years in advance, you would know 89 is that support for Apple, and ever since, Apple has bounced from the 89 support and now is at $110. So pay attention to support and resistance. Go back months in advance. Remember, go back months in advance. Alright, this stock right here, I don't think it would have helped you if you went back months in advance. Honestly, if you would just watch the RSI, you would know this thing was I would say due for a bounce. And as you see, the stock was down 50% just about, and this was at the 17.2 lows. I didn't even have to look at RSI to know that this stock is getting ready to bounce, only because the market is starting to look bullish. And honestly, I didn't even have to look at any news to understand that this stock is going to bounce. I've been playing these things for a while now. If I see a stock that is overreacted, or a lot of people overreacting to a stock, I know that buyers are going to come in at some point. Buyers are going to come in and they're going to bid the stock up. Now after after they're done bidding the stock up, they're going to want to take some profits. once they take some profits, you might see the stock fall back lower than the support was at the 17.2 level. That's how you know if the stock is actually being dip bought, or is it actually being or is it, I would say that's how you know that the company is or that's how you know the company doesn't belong at that price, I would say. These dips right here, this would have been $7 a share, maybe even $8. I'm not sure if it's still running right now, but it would probably been $7 to $8 a share, and you would have been done for the morning. As you see, it's just within a 1 hour time span, you would have had $7 a share playing Hertz. So I think this would have been a 20% return on your money. So this was the dip of the day. If you guys are not getting this, I'm pretty sure CVS or all CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens Boots, those companies like that, they all have pretty nice dips that you could have bought into and probably made some money. So remember, these dips don't just come one time a week. These things come every day. Every day a company's getting hit on market price or market cap because they did not meet expectations, or the company is expecting lower profits or weaker profits from expectations. And this is just what makes the market really fun to play. So I'll be back with the video showing you how the market looks after this election. But other than that, I'm still on Facebook. I'm still recovering from it. It really sucks. Now the share price is at 123. My buying price was at average of 130. So this might be a long hold for me because I see this thing is just moving $1 to $2 a day, and I have the patience for it. But it starts to get boring after a while because I do want to trade these stocks around. But it looks like I just might be holding that for a couple more weeks. And other than that, like I said, I'll post more videos. And if you guys want me to take a look at any stocks that you want, if you want me to break it down, balance sheet, whatever, please hit me up in my comment section or on Twitter. That's about it. Talk to you later, guys.